Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a partner access from your Meta business portfolio, particularly when you no longer want to work with that partner or you no longer want to give them access to your asset, or maybe you guys' partnership has ended. Okay, so we're going to cover how you could remove a partner from your Meta business portfolio. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. We always tell you, visit the description section. We're going to share more details. We're also going to show you how you could add a partner. So let's jump right straight into this video on how to remove a partner from your Meta business portfolio. So visit business.facebook.com. Okay, next we're going to select the business portfolio we want to work on. So you click on this drop down here. Okay, so for some of you, yours is going to appear this way. So we could search instead of just scrolling. So this is the one we want to work on. So we could click here or click on settings. Not everybody's own will come out this way. All right, so you can either click on this drop down, you scroll down and search. If you're not seeing it, you come here and search. Click on these settings. Then for those of you that yours will appear like this. Okay, so this is the page we are coming to. Then for those of you whose page will appear like this, business.facebook.com/latest. For most of you, once you click on business.facebook.com, it's going to come out this way. Okay, for most of you, it's all will come out this way. Okay, for those of you that yours came out this way, you click on this line, then you search. You can also search instead of you to start scrolling before you find the particular business portfolio. So we're just going to search health. Okay, then scroll down again. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Then you click on here. You're going to switch into it. Next, you click again. So you see, then you click on this business settings icon. Don't forget, it's the icon we're always looking out for. Then you click, you go to it. Another easy way is to click on business.latest/settings. Okay, so once you find your way to this point, you click on partners. So don't forget, if you want to add a new partner, you click on this add and input the business portfolio ID. We made a special video for that. We're going to add the link in the description section of this video, where we took our time to explain how you could, add partners to your business portfolio, particularly when you're working when you want to work with an agency. But for this one, you want to remove a partner or an agency that you're already working with. So this is one red zone. We're going to remove them. You click on this three dots. Sometimes it might appear this way, so you have to click. So you select on the business partner you want to remove. Then you click on these three dots. Okay, now if you want to assign new assets, you can also click assign assets. All right, for those of you, let's say for example, you give them only a Facebook page, you can click on this assign assets and give them more assets. Take for example, once I click on this assign asset, I'll be able to give them a page, ad account, and Instagram account. If I have a pixel or data set, it's going to show, and as many things as possible, including WhatsApp account. Okay, so once you do that, you select and just make sure you watch the video in the description section. It's going to guide you on how you could assign assets, and you also give role. In most cases, if you're working with us, right, just give us full permission so you don't stress yourself. All right, so now let's remove it. In order to remove it, like I said, you select the business portfolio you want to remove or the partner you want to remove, then click on these three dots. Then you click on remove from business portfolio. That is all. So you click on remove partner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Bye guys. See you in the next video. All right, so you can see as we removed successfully. You could also reload to confirm again.